Hello dear students, good morning. How are you? In this video, I am going to discuss your syllabus, BA Part 2nd English Literature. There are two papers. The paper first is English Poetry and Drama, and the paper second is English Prose and Fiction. Okay, these are the titles of two papers. First, English Poetry and Drama. Second, English Prose and Fiction. Let us first discuss the first paper, English Poetry and Drama. There are 3 units, 3 sections in your first paper. 2 of poetry and 1 of drama. Okay, we are going to discuss the syllabus of the paper first. There are 3 units in first paper. The first unit, English Poetry. The second unit, Indo-English Poetry. And the third unit, Drama. These are the 3 sections. English Poetry means, as I told you last year, English poetry means the poetry written in English by the poets of England. That is the first section. And in the second section we have Indo-English poetry. In Indo-English poetry we have the poems composed in English by the Indian poets. This is the second unit. And in the third unit, there are 2 plays, A Doll's House by Henrik Ibsen and The Postman, The Post Office by Rabindranath Tagore. Is that clear? So there are 3 sections. The first section, poetry. The second section, Indo-English poetry. The third section, drama. And there are 2 plays in your syllabus. A Doll's House by Henrik Ibsen and The Post Office by... And now you can look at the print. There are 6 poets. There are 6 poets in your section A. Thomas Gray. The poem is Elegy written in a country churchyard. Then we have William Blake. There are 2 poems by William Blake in your syllabus, The London and the Tiger. Then we have William Wordsworth, The World is Too Much With Us, The Solitary Reaper. So there are 2 poems by Wordsworth, there are 2 poems by William Blake. Then we have S.T. Coleridge, The Ancient Mariner, P.B. Shelley, The Ode to the West Wind, and Johann Keats, To Autumn. So these are 1 by Gray, 2 by Blake, that makes 3, 2 by Wordsworth, that makes 5, then Coleridge 6. You have 7 poems in your first section. In your section second, you have Indo-English poetry. We have the following poems in your syllabus. 2 poems by Nissim Ezekiel, Enterprise, Night of the Scorpion, by Kamala Das, My Grandmother's House, The Looking Glass. Then we have 3 poems by Arun Kolatkar, An Old Woman, The Bus, and The Chaitanya. 3 poems. We have short poems in English poetry of mothers, among other things, Obituary and River, and then Grieve Patel on Killing a Tree and Servants. So this is the syllabus of the second unit. As I told you, the third unit consists of drama. There are 2 plays, A Doll's House by Henrik Ibsen and The Post Office by Rabindranath Tagore. So this is the brief introduction of your syllabus. In your next video, I am going to teach you the background for the first unit. Background is very important. Without this background, you cannot follow the second year poetry. So you have 2 literary ages in your syllabus: the English Romantic age and the pre-Romantic age. Mainly the Romantic age. So in the next video, I'll tell you what was the English Romantic movement, कैसे आरंभ हुआ, किस प्रकार से फैला, उन सब का आपको परिचय देंगे। इससे पहले मैं PDF में अपलोड भी करूँगा कि व्हाट इज़ रोमांटिक एज and what was the English Romantic movement. So wait for the next video. After teaching you the background of the Romantic age and the characteristics of the Romantic age, I will upload the poems for you and I will explain them. So for the next video, wait for the next video. In the next video, I am going to discuss the English Romantic movement, but still we have second paper, and I am coming to the second paper. Again in second paper, English prose and fiction, you have 3 units. Section A, you have 4 essays and 4 stories. S. Radhakrishnan, The Gandhian Outlook, R.K. Narayan's bookish topic, J.B. Priestley's Making Writing Simple, Virginia Woolf, How Should One Read a Book, ये 4 essays हैं. And then we have 4 stories, 3 questions by Leo Tolstoy, Pearl S. Buck, The Refugees, R.K. Narayan's Under the Banyan Tree, and Alice Walker's Am I Blue? So this is the first section for second paper. 4 stories and 4 essays. Then we come to the second section. We have 2 novels in your second section. Azadi by Chaman Nahal. It is a story of the partition of the country. And then we have second novel, The Lord of the Flies by William Golding. So these 2 novels are in your syllabus. Section C, that is a composition topic. There are 3 topics in your syllabus: note making, summarizing, and theme writing. So this is the brief introduction of the syllabus आपके इन सब बुक्स में, इन सब सिलेबस के अंदर जो मैंने अपलोड किया है, बुक्स की लिस्ट भी दे रखी है। लेकिन अगर इससे भी अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आए तो ठीक है, मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा आपके लिए। लेकिन सबसे पहले आप जो है जिस बुक से हम आरंभ करने जा रहे हैं वह है स्ट्रिंग्स ऑफ गोल्ड पार्ट सेकंड। डू यू हियर मी? स्ट्रिंग्स ऑफ गोल्ड पार्ट सेकंड, एडिटेड बाय जसवीर जैन। सो प्लीज बाय दिस बुक। You must have the book before you when I explain the poem. तो एक बार केवल आप ये बुक खरीदिएगा, केवल वन की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं। इट इज़ नॉट वेरी कॉस्टली। आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ द ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट, स्ट्रिंग्स ऑफ गोल्ड पार्ट फर्स्ट। ओके।